Welcome to our channel where today we'll show you how to log into your PayPal business account quickly and securely. Welcome to our channel where today we'll show you how to log into your PayPal business account quickly and securely. The process is straightforward and designed to give you fast, secure access to your financial tools and business management hub. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the official PayPal website by typing paypal.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the Login button typically found in the upper right corner of the home page and click on it. On the Login page, you'll see fields requesting your email address or mobile number and your password. Enter the email address associated with your PayPal business account carefully to avoid login errors. Next, type in your password. Remember, your password is case-sensitive, so make sure to enter it exactly as you created it. If you've forgotten your password, there is a handy Forgot Password link just below the password field that guides you through the recovery process using your email or mobile. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, a recommended security feature, PayPal will prompt you to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your registered mobile device or email. Enter the code to complete the login. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your PayPal business dashboard where you can manage your transactions, view reports, and access all other features tailored for business users. To keep your account secure, always log out after finishing your session, especially when using public or shared computers. Also, consider updating your password regularly and enable additional security settings found in your account settings. That's it. Now you know how to confidently log into your PayPal business account and start managing your business finances seamlessly. Don't forget to practice these steps regularly to ensure smooth access anytime you need. Before we finish, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like if you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching.